Welcome to my channel. The 2026 Mansory pickup truck is not just another pickup built for hauling and hard work. It is a bold statement of power, luxury, and extreme design that completely redefines what a pickup truck can be. From the very first glance, it is clear that this machine was not designed to blend in. Mansory has taken the idea of a pickup and pushed it into the world of high-end performance and exotic customization, creating a vehicle that feels just as comfortable parked outside a luxury hotel as it does dominating the road with raw presence. The exterior design of the 2026 Mansory pickup truck is aggressive, muscular, and unapologetically bold. Every panel looks sculpted with purpose, featuring sharp lines, wide arches, and aerodynamic elements that give the truck a commanding stance. Mansory's signature carbon fiber is everywhere, from the hood and front splitter to the side skirts and rear diffuser. These carbon elements are not just for show, they reduce weight while adding strength and visual drama. The front fascia is especially intimidating, with a redesigned grille, massive air intakes, and LED lighting that gives the truck a futuristic and menacing look at night. Moving to the side profile, the widened body kit immediately stands out. The truck sits much wider than a standard pickup, emphasizing stability and performance. Massive forged wheels, often finished in black, bronze, or custom Mansory colors, fill the arches perfectly. These wheels are wrapped in high-performance all-terrain or street-focused tires depending on the configuration, allowing the truck to handle both urban roads and rougher terrain with confidence. Mansory badging is subtly placed, letting those who know recognize the exclusivity without being overly loud. At the rear, the 2026 Mansory pickup truck continues to impress with a redesigned tailgate, integrated carbon fiber details, and a performance-focused exhaust system. The quad or dual exhaust setup not only looks aggressive but produces a deep, thunderous sound that reminds everyone nearby that this is no ordinary pickup. The bed itself is often finished with premium materials, including carbon fiber trim, custom lighting, and high-quality liners that combine practicality with luxury. Under the hood is where Mansory truly shows its engineering expertise. While the exact engine setup can vary depending on the base truck used, the 2026 Mansory pickup truck typically features a heavily modified high-displacement V8 or even a supercharged powertrain. Mansory upgrades include performance-tuned ECUs, enhanced turbochargers or superchargers, upgraded intake systems, and high-flow exhausts. The result is an astonishing increase in horsepower and torque, often pushing the output well beyond what most production pickups could ever dream of. Acceleration in the 2026 Mansory pickup truck is shockingly quick for a vehicle of its size. Press the accelerator, and the truck surges forward with authority, delivering sports car-like performance in a massive, elevated body. The torque delivery is smooth yet brutal, making highway overtakes effortless and ensuring that the truck feels powerful at any speed. Despite its aggressive performance, Mansory ensures that the power delivery remains refined, maintaining a balance between raw strength and daily drivability. Handling has also been significantly improved. Mansory upgrades the suspension system with performance-oriented components, including adjustable dampers and reinforced control arms. This allows the truck to remain stable during high-speed driving while still offering comfort over long journeys. Whether cruising on smooth highways or tackling uneven roads, the 2026 Mansory pickup truck feels planted and confident, a rare achievement. For a vehicle in this category, step inside, and the cabin reveals a completely different world. The interior of the 2026 Mansory pickup truck is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and customization. Mansory is known for its bespoke interiors, and this truck is no exception. Premium leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and custom stitching cover nearly every surface. Buyers can choose from a wide range of colors, patterns, and materials, ensuring that no two Mansory pickups are exactly the same. The seats are heavily bolstered and designed to provide both comfort and support, whether you are driving aggressively or enjoying a long road trip. Embossed Mansory logos, contrast stitching, and perforated leather add a sense of exclusivity that reminds you this is a limited and highly customized vehicle. Even the smallest details, such as the seatbelts, door handles, and floor mats, are tailored to match the overall design theme. Technology inside the 2026 Mansory pickup truck is equally impressive. A large infotainment display sits at the center of the dashboard, offering navigation, multimedia, smartphone connectivity, and vehicle settings. Digital driver displays provide real-time performance data, including boost pressure, power output, and driving modes. Premium sound systems ensure crystal clear audio, turning the cabin into a luxury lounge on wheels. Despite its focus on luxury and performance, the 2026 Mansory Pick-Up Truck does not forget its roots as a pickup. Practical features such as advanced towing capabilities, multiple driving modes, and off-road assistance systems are still present. The truck can tow heavy loads with ease, making it suitable for both lifestyle and work-related tasks, although most owners will likely treat it as a statement vehicle rather than a workhorse. Safety is another area where Mansory ensures nothing is compromised. The truck comes equipped with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. High-performance brakes with upgraded calipers and discs provide strong stopping power, ensuring that the massive performance is always under control. One of the most appealing aspects of the 2026 Mansory Pick-Up Truck is its exclusivity. Mansory vehicles are produced in extremely limited numbers, and each build is highly customized to the owner's preferences. This level of personalization means that owning a Mansory pickup is not just about driving a truck, it is about owning a piece of automotive art. The price reflects this exclusivity, placing it firmly in the ultra-luxury segment, but for those who can afford it, the experience is unmatched. On the road, the 2026 Mansory Pick-Up Truck attracts attention wherever it goes. People turn their heads, phones come out for photos, and conversations start at every stop. It is a vehicle that sparks curiosity and admiration, blending the rugged appeal of a pickup with the extravagance of a supercar. The sound of the engine, the aggressive styling, and the luxurious interior all work together to create an unforgettable presence. What truly sets the 2026 Mansory Pick-Up Truck apart is its ability to break stereotypes. Pickups are often associated with utility and toughness, while luxury vehicles are linked to comfort and elegance. Mansory has successfully merged these worlds, creating a truck that offers extreme performance, top-tier luxury, and everyday usability in one package. It is not designed for everyone, but for those who want something truly unique, it delivers an experience that few vehicles can match. In a market filled with standard pickups and mass-produced trucks, the 2026 Mansory Pick-Up Truck stands as a symbol of individuality and bold design. It is a vehicle for those who refuse to follow trends and instead want to set them. Every drive feels special, every detail feels intentional, and every moment behind the wheel reminds you that this is no ordinary machine. As the automotive world continues to evolve, with more focus on electrification and efficiency, the 2026 Mansory Pick-Up Truck represents a celebration of excess, power, and craftsmanship. It is a reminder that there will always be a place for vehicles that prioritize emotion, presence, and exclusivity. For enthusiasts who crave something beyond the ordinary, this truck delivers a driving experience that is as thrilling as it is luxurious. By combining aggressive design, monstrous performance, and handcrafted luxury, the 2026 Mansory Pick-Up Truck redefines what a pickup can be. It is not just about getting from point A to point B, it is about how you feel along the way. And with Mansory's unmistakable touch, every journey becomes an event, every drive becomes a statement, and every mile reminds you that you are driving something truly extraordinary.